Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check, which is like a test page, from an Epson WorkForce WF-2830. This is nice and simple, it can be done from the printer itself, using nothing but the control panel you can see here. So first of all, we need to be on the home screen of the printer, which looks like this. If you're not already here, press this button in the bottom left to be taken here. Now, move ourselves along 3 until we get to settings. Press OK to go into settings. Then we need to move ourselves along 1 and go into maintenance. Once in maintenance, nozzle check is the very first option, so press OK. And then you just need to press the start button to print, assuming you have paper in there. This will take your printer just a minute. And you'll eventually be presented with a page that looks like this, with these fine lines showing the black, cyan, magenta and yellow that your printer uses. Now any breaks or anything in here could represent like slight lines on your printer's prints, which you can see there's a tiny amount of on the yellow, but this print is otherwise looking good. If any of these portions are missing, obviously the colour will just be blocked within the printer's print head and we'd need to do some cleaning cycles. So back at the screen, you can see the printer is preempting this and is asking if there's any kind of missing portions on there. I'm going to select yes as we do, and then yes again to clean the print head, which pushes ink through the print head to hopefully dislodge anything that's caused those slight print quality issues we've experienced. And from here you can just do cleans and test pages till you hopefully see an improvement in your print quality and can carry on printing as normal. Now, I hope you found this video useful. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else we can help with, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.